Now there are some works of art that deserve to be preserved, and we are talking about the iPhone 4S. Great Studio reached me out few weeks ago and offered me a chance to review this beautiful iPhone 4S frame, and I say yes because personally I'm an iPhone user from a very long time and I know how this beautiful iPhone was. It's already dead, but I am very happy to have this once again in 2022. I will just hang it up on my studio so that I can see this beautiful thing every day. Hey, what's up guys, this is Mehran from Dynamic Tech, and in this video I will be unboxing, reviewing and giving you an up close look to this Great Studio frame, so hopefully you will enjoy. Now to be very honest, I am very impressed with the packaging. It's really beautiful. Everything is well padded. I mean, they are using a very high quality packaging material so the frame won't get damaged while delivering to the customer. So let's just open the box and let's see what we have got inside. Okay, well, so far I am very impressed. As I said, the first impression is the last, and so far I am very surprised to see the packaging material. Now listen carefully, this is a coupon code which can be used a single time, but I am leaving it for my viewers, so be the first one to avail this 15% discount on your order. If somebody has already used this coupon code, then I am afraid it may not work. The Great Studio is paying some tribute to the iPhone and its creator. Now let's just keep it on a side. So now coming back to the frame, we have some pins. I guess this will be used for hanging the frame on a wall, and the frame is also well protected by this foam. As you can see, the packaging is very nice. I will give 10 points out of 10. Now let's get all the fluff out of the way. As I said, it feels like a very super premium from its packaging, like I said before. Now let's get the seal off and check out what's inside of the packaging, and here we go. Okay, we have the iPhone 4S in all its glory here with all of the parts labeled, and I absolutely love the way they have done. It's so clever. We have got every single part of the iPhone 4S in this frame, and let me just give you a very close-up look. Now I will give 10 points out of 10 to the frame quality. I mean, they are taking care of every single thing, the packaging, and now the frame looks very premium, and the glass is also protected with the plastic, which should be appreciated. I will just leave it on. Now to be very honest, I was searching for this beautiful gift for somebody because I have seen this in many videos, but now I have one and it making me super happy. Being an iPhone lover, you can imagine how happy would I be. It's totally genuine iPhone 4S, and for this, Great Studio should be appreciated for preserving some epic iPhone model for the future. It's very unique nowadays and it would be more in the future. You can just hang this at your room or office with memories from the olden days, and this would give a very vintage look to the wall, which will look very decent. You can order this frame from Great Studio official website, and it's now available on discounted prices for Christmas, and now available at $139 only. You can choose any frame of your choice. They have lots of product from iPhone 3G till iPhone 10, including iPhone SE model. So make sure to check out their products and order your favorite iPhone at discount prices. This is the right time to order your most favorite iPhone at lowest prices. Now at the end, I am super satisfied from the packaging to the frame. Everything is just perfect, and I am sure you will just love it once you hands on to the frame. So that's it. If you guys have any queries regarding this frame and Great Studio, let know in the comment section right below. I will answer to every single comment. Hopefully you will have enjoyed this video, and I will see you in the next one.